Hey y'all, this is Danny and Leslie from Scratch Made Homestead. We're up here. It's Saturday morning, April 1st, and we heard these helicopters last night or yesterday afternoon, and then we heard them this morning. He's spraying something. Okay y'all, so here's what we think is going on with the helicopters and the spraying they're doing. They planted pine seedlings. So I think it's fertilizer and not poison, so that makes me feel a little bit better. But this is somewhat close to our property, but you know, what you gonna do? So there you go. See if I can get, see if you can see him coming over the ridge.
There he is. So this tract of land right here does join our piece. So as you can see, they here a few months ago the loggers came in and cleared all of this. Then they came back with dozers with these little seeding machines that cleared these little trenches and planted the seedlings. So I had never seen it done that way before. So that was kind of cool. But so I guess now they're going to fertilize it all.
Here he comes again, y'all. Y'all, here he comes. This is on some property that's across the street. I think you can probably see. Okay, y'all, now we're going to try to go talk to the powers that be and see what's up with all this. We'll let you know. Bye.
He's got a more detailed map than that. I've got this, but he's got something a little bit better than that shows.
And those are the red areas or what he's spraying.
Y'all, this is Mr. White Hooker, and he is with a company called Provine Helicopters. Very nice gentleman, teaching us all kinds of new stuff today.
we are right
where is
here.
it? Okay.
And then this is my piece right here.
Oh, we'll be a long way from there.
But that's my property line. But they cleared all that
Oh, this
5 or 6 years ago.
Yeah, this has all been planted in. I think that's wrongly planted.
Well, guys, we just got through talking with the. His title was project manager with Provine helicopters, and they are, of course, doing the spraying here. But they have. He was telling us. This particular pilot, he and this pilot are spraying all the way from Mississippi over into the Florida Panhandle in this project. He was showing us on a map. He had 10 or 15 different tracks all over this area, and they are spraying a herbicide that will kill everything but the pine trees, they said. But it won't be killing cedar trees or the fruit trees, the bees. He said all of that stuff would be safe. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed. I don't much like this, but what do you do? It's not our land. I've been saying this for quite some time. Once the loggers got done, then this would be over with, but I guess I didn't think that all the way through.
Now maybe it is.
Yeah.
He did not say how often they do this though, but I hope this is going to be it.
But at least there's no wind today. Very still, as you can see from the tree limbs.